Hello guys, how is it going? Ahmed here. In today's video, I will explain IELTS exam. What is IELTS? IELTS is the International English Language Testing System. Okay, the question is, what is the benefits of taking IELTS exam? So, IELTS exam is designed to help you work, study, or immigrate to a country where English is the native language. So I came up with a really good platform to prepare you for IELTS exam online. You can do it from home, from your office. You can go through academic or general training. See all the packages here for 2 weeks, 4 weeks and 6 weeks. And the whole packages has 3 levels and 3 different prices. And if you don't know your level, you can take a free assessment test from here to know which package suits you. So there is a 30% discount. To get a better price, once you enroll the packages, you will receive your login details in your email. And now let's see how their platform works. As you can see, I'm trying to log in to my dashboard, and then here is my dashboard. You can see on the left side their dashboard, test, messages, orientation. So if you click on orientation, you will see 4 videos. It has many details about IELTS exam for reading and speaking and writing and listening, and you have to watch these videos because it's so useful for you guys. And let's jump on test. When we click on test, we will see 4 skills: reading, writing, speaking, listening, and discussion with your tutors. So let's try reading. On this page, you will see academic professional reading test 1, 2, 3, so many readings. So once you try to open this test, you have to click on the red button here and start the test. And as you can see guys, time remaining, you have an hour to finish this test. So on the right side you will see your answers, and on the left side you will see the reading passages. So you have to read these passages carefully, and then you will give your answers. After finishing the exam, you will receive a feedback from your tutors, and your tutor will give you your score. So let's jump on writing skill. As you can see, you can click on this red button. So you have here 2 options. So you can do it your exam on your paper work or on your computer. So let's start now. Let's download the material. Okay, the material about let's see, writing task 1. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task. So you will receive chart below here to write about your topic. So our topic here should be at least 150 words. Okay, you can provide your answer here, and for the writing task 2 here, and just click submit, and you will receive a feedback from your tutors again, and you will get your score. And as you can see, you have so many writing tests from start from 1 to 8. So it has actually different topics to write. And now let's check the speaking part. Once you click on the speaking part, you will see this page. you can request for a speaking test. So as you can see, I requested for a test. Let's try on. So you can schedule a time fits for you. For example, 9 or 10 a.m. Submit. Okay, as you can see, I requested for a test. Or you can join a free live discussion on every Tuesday and Saturday at 4 p.m. You can discuss everything related with IELTS exam with your tutors. And now let's check out listening skills. Once you click on listening, you will see a page for just listening model. Click on the red button here and then start test. And you have to listen to this audio carefully, and as you can see on the right side you can see your answers, and the left side you will see the questions. So listen to the audio carefully and then try to answer your questions, and then click on and test. Also, once you finish your listening test, you will receive a feedback from your tutors telling you your score and how you did in your exam. Finally, I want to mention about very important tab here. You can find it on your dashboard, which is called events. So once you click on events, you will see all your upcoming events here, as you can see on this page. Let's try to click on my event here. You can see event detail and more details. You can see the topic about the event, teacher name, date, time, description, all about the event. Teacher profile, you can view your teacher profile also, and you can read about your teacher and about his qualification. In addition to that, you can join a free live discussion on every Tuesday and Saturday at 4 p.m. You can contact them from their email here, or you can call them on WhatsApp from here. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video will be beneficial for you guys, and I hope guys will you get more than 8 score on IELTS. And thank you guys for watching my video, and hope to see you with another video soon. So goodbye for now.